R. Gupta from Kendriya Vidyalaya INS Kalinga, TGT Mathematics. Welcome to the session. In this session, we want to discuss something that alternate method of multiplication. Let us take two smaller numbers and let us learn how to do the multiplication. Now, in example numbers 327 into 153. A 3-digit number is multiplied by another 3-digit number. While getting the product, we will find every digit in a separate product and small addition. Here, units place we will get on multiplication of the units place of first number with units place of this first number. 7 into 3, this is 21. Next, tens place we get on multiplication tens place of first number with units place, this is 2 into 3 is equal to 6, and here second number tens place with the first number units place, this is 5 into 7 35. 35 plus 6 41. So, we are getting 41 in tens place. Next, in hundreds place, when it comes to 100, tens place into units place, 3 3s are 9, and here hundreds place into tens place, 7 3s are 7 1s are 7, and tens place into tens place, that is 5 into 2 10. This is 17 plus 9 26, we get 26 in hundreds place. Then thousands place, when it comes to this thousands place, hundreds place into tens place, 3 5s are 15, and here hundreds place and here tens place, 2 1s are 2, only 2 multiplications for this thousands place, 15 plus 2 17. Next, 10,000s place we get on multiplication of hundreds place of first number with hundreds place of first number, this is 3 into 1, this is 3. Here directly from this we can write the product. Here this is the units place, 1 is the units place of the product. 41 plus 2 is equal to 43. This is the tens place, this is equal to 3. This 4 comes and joins with hundreds place, this is 30. Here this is hundreds place, 3 comes and joins here, 0. Now 17 plus 3 20, this is next digit is 0, and this 2 comes and joins with 2, this is equal to 5. The product is 50,031. So, let us do the same by normal multiplication. 327 into 153, 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 3 3s are 9, 5 7s are 35, 3 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13, 1 3, 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16, 1 into 327, this is 327, 1, 8 plus 5 13, 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 9 20, 2 0, this is again 10, this is 5, 50,031. So, normal multiplication and this shortcut method. Sometimes multiplication and getting different products and addition is a bit difficult. There is another lattice method, that method it is more easy and more interesting also. Now, let us go for lattice method of multiplication. For the purpose of lattice method, I have taken an example. Two numbers 327 is multiplied by 129. These two numbers we will represent in the rectangular box, or we can say grid. In grid it is 3 2 7 first number, next it is 1 2 9 is the second number. Now, this grid we do like this to multiply. Diagonals I draw, therefore, each small square is divided into 2. Now, 7 ones are 7. It is the product single digit number 0 7. 2 ones are 2. This is 0 2. 3 ones are 3. This is 0 3. Simple products, a single digit with another single digit. 7 twos are 14. This is 1 4. 2 twos are 4. 0 4. 3 twos are 6. 0 6. Next. 7 nines are 63. 6 3. 2 nines are 18. 1 8. 3 nines are 27. 2 7. So, simple products writing 2 digits in each digit in small a triangle. Now, diagonally if I add 0, here in this second diagonal 3 plus 0 plus 3, 0, 0 plus 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Next 0 plus 2, again 0, again 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 4 is 2 is equal to 10. Next 7 plus 1 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13 plus 7 20, again 8, 12, 13, 20. Next 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 18, this is 3. So, here all the digits we got. Let us start from this. This is 0, this units place into units place, this is the units place. Now, starting from the units place it goes like this. So, while writing the number from 3 to this 3, here this is the units place 3, this is the tens place 8, this one comes and joins, this becomes 21. So, hundreds place is 1, 2 plus this 2 goes and joins with 10, this is 12. So, here 2 comes here, 1 goes plus 1, this is equal to 4, 42,183. 3 the units place, 8 the tens place, 1 comes and joins becomes 21. So, hundreds place is 1, this 2 goes and joins with 10 12. So, thousands place is 2 and this one goes and joins with 3, 3 plus 1 4, therefore 10,000 place is equal to 4. So, let us do the same multiplication normal. 9 sevens are 63, 6 3, 9 twos are 18, 18 plus 6 24, 2 4, 27 plus 2 29. This is 327 into 2, 640 54, 654, 1 time 327, 3, 8, 12 plus 9, 21, 2 1, 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 1 2, this is 4, 42,183. So, this is a normal multiplication, this is lattice multiplication. Here it is possible to check every product and again we can do addition. So, everything is so clear, all small multiplications and small additions. So, we do like this in shortcut method or in alternate method. Thank you.